everyone, it's Mrs. Wolf. I just wanted to pop on to give a quick tutorial on how to access Epic. The first thing you need to do is to type in getepic.com into your browser of choice. Next, find the login button in the top right corner. Please make sure to go to the Students and Educators button next. Each class has a different code. Mrs. Wolf's code is JRA9897. Hit go, and you guys are in. Now to find your class code, we did include it on the home daily schedule. I'm just going to toggle over to the next slide over here. So this is actually the first week. If you slide down to the fourth slide, it does give you the website getepic.com as well as each class code. So Mrs. Gunter has a different code, Mrs. Isabella, and Mrs. McGinnis. If you guys need any help, please reach out to us. We are happy to do so. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.